Hello friends. In this video, we will discussion about types of 3D printers. Fused Deposition Modeling printers, FDM printers are the most common type of 3D printer. They heat and extrude plastic filaments layer by layer to create a 3D object. Stereolithography printers, SLA printers use a liquid resin that is cured by a UV laser to create a solid 3D object. Digital light processing printers, DLP printers use a similar process to SLA printers, but instead of a laser, they use a projector to cure the resin. Selective laser sinting printers, SLS printers use a high-powered laser to sinter powdered materials, such as metal or nylon, into a solid 3D object. Binder jetting printers use a liquid binder to selectively bond layers of powder material, such as sand or metal, to create a 3D object. Multijet fusion printers, MJF printers use a liquid binder and a fusing agent to bond layers of nylon powder into a solid object selectively. Material jetting printers work by depositing droplets of a liquid material onto a build platform, which are then cured with UV light to create a solid 3D object. Subscribe our channel for more videos.